All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about protecting your customers and your technicians, and the sales guys too. All right, so obviously with everything going on, there's a lot of concern about technicians getting into customers' cars and customers picking up cars after technicians have worked on them. At the shop, we've implemented some standard practices during this time. So one of the big things on every car before a technician gets into it, the service writer or the porter, now our porter is off because he might have been exposed. Every car, every key gets a wipe down. The door handles get wiped down. The steering wheel gets wiped down. Pretty much everything in the car that a customer would touch or a technician would touch gets wiped down with a disinfecting towelette. Currently, Clorox brand, not a sponsor. You know, these things are rare as hen's teeth, so we get what we can get and we're happy with it, but we generally use the Clorox. And technicians wear gloves. We're doing our best to limit as much actual physical hand contact with a customer's car to prevent, contamination. And then at the end of the day, after the car's been worked on by the technician, it's test driven and parked, it gets another wipe down. We want to protect our customers if we've got it too. So it gets wiped down when it comes in, it gets wiped down when it leaves, and of course, we're all wearing gloves. Airborne, I'm not walking around with a mask on, Uh-oh. Allergies. It's allergy season in Georgia, so I'm probably a little nasally on camera, but we want to protect in case we're infected from our customers, and we want to protect the customers from us because, they're the ones out and about, so they might be more infected than we could be. We don't know. So doing our best to make sure the customers and our technicians are limiting contact and keeping everybody as healthy as possible and limit our exposure. It's important shops do this. We're stuck open, so if we're open, we gotta protect ourselves. So I know it's preachy, but we gotta take protocols to stop this. So hope everybody's staying busy as always. Thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.